Hello everyone, welcome to all on my YouTube channel Accounting by Rajneesh Kumar. On this channel, you learn about the SAP FICO configuration. Till now, we have done our 8 classes in which we learn about the basic info about the SAP FICO implementation and project lifecycle and landscape. And in the second class, we have discussed about the company code, fiscal year variant, and all these topics have been covered by us in the previous class. If you want to say that, go to the my channel and the search for the in the playlist. You will get all the classes over there. Now, today in this class, we are going to learn about the general ledger posting, vendor transaction posting, customer transaction posting, and vendor and customer payment and payment receipt, line item display and balance display of customer and vendor. Today we are going to learn about all these topics. So without getting late, let's go straight to the theoretical part. As you see, we have last configured our account payables and account receivable setting, in which we learn about how to create vendor and customers. In today's lesson, we use the posting business post business transaction. So firstly, we had to post some general ledger transaction relating to the payment of the rent of rupees 2000 and payment of salaries of rupees 80,000. These are direct expenses that will occur. Now the stationery expenses, so it is rupees 5,000. Electricity expense. Okay, so these are all expense that we are going to post in our GL account. So first of all, we have to create this GL into our general ledger, and you all know that how we create our GL ledger for the transaction code FS00. Okay, so go to the login it. So firstly go to the FS00, create our GL accounts. In the expense, we have the purchase account. Now we have to get the 400002. In the expense, profit and loss account statement, and then the rent account. Okay, control data. And item display, posting date according to 001, create bank interest G00, and simply save it. And we have to simply copy it. 3 gives a description. The next is salary account. Okay. Simply save it. Third one we should copy 400004 stationery expenses. You just need to change the description only. Okay. Stationery expenses and simply save it. The last one is electricity expenses. Okay. Copy, give it account number 5 and electricity expenses. Okay. Solved. And in a set we have the our cash account, our main bank account, and outgoing bank account. All the outgoing transaction or payment transfer should be done through the outgoing bank account, and all the incoming or incoming payments are receiving in the Union Bank of India incoming bank account. Okay, so we have to do our posting according to the nature of our transaction. Okay, now go to the there's a posting accordingly FB 50 transaction code क्या है FB 50. Okay, so let's go to the transaction code FB 50. Give your date over here. Suppose we are going to enter transaction 1st of May 2012. Give your currency INR. Posting date should be matched to the document date. Data. The first expense is rent expense 2000 rupees. Payment of rent. Okay. Here you have to give your debit and credit both accounts. Okay, so we are debiting our rent account debit to outgoing bank account. This is rent account debit to 2000 rupees. The second expense over is salary 400003. Okay, how much? It is 80,000. The third one is rent account, salary account, stationery and electricity 400004 debit by rupees 5,000. Okay, you have to give your 5,000. And the last one is 400005, that is electricity expenses 15,000 debit 15,000. Now the credit entries would be all the expenses would be credited by the outgoing bank account to 00011. It should be credited, and you can give all the sum of these items amount, or you can simply type star for all Now you have to give your value date over here 0105 to 2012. We have to copy it over here and give the text payment of expenses. Okay. Give your business area. BS2 we have created earlier. So we have created. And simply press enter. All the tick marks, that means that all the data are correct. Now simulate the document, and these are our entries in which for posting is 40 for the debit and 50 for the credit entry. Now 80,000 for the salary, 2,000 for the land, stationery for 5,000, and electricity expense of rupees 15,000 should be debited and credited by the outgoing bank account. Alright. Now we have to post these entries. And this entry is now posting, taking their time. Now document 12001 was posted in the company code Bharat Power Company Limited. Okay. Now if you want to see the documents, now you can display or you can check over there. This is for data entry view, in which you see all the general ledger account and your posting keys. The general ledger view, and see the difference that your line item over there and posting key, accounting, account numbers, and the description of your amount are there. If apart from this, if you are given another some information like profit center, billing document, order, code center, all that data will be shown over here. Okay. Now if you want to see that report in line item, so how you can check. So here are your T code for this FPL 3N. Okay. FPL 3N. You can simply type in FPL 3N. This is general account line item display. All the account are shown over here, or you can see your particular account over there. Okay. Select all item, normal item, and then give your company code and execute that. Now you can see that each and every account, in particular the UBI main account, we have posted outgoing account 102,000, and your rent account is there, your salary account is there. Okay. And your stationery account, electricity expense account, and share capital account. That entry is done before. Okay, so these are our line item display. Now come for the vendor item transaction. Okay. For vendor, we have to create the vendor first. So already we have created one vendor, and you can check. So the vendor transactions are done through the transaction code FB60. This is your vendor invoice screen. This is the header data in which we are given our vendor BPCL This list all our vendors list that we have created already. We have created only one vendor, that is Ganga Enterprise. We simply select it, give over date 10052012. Same here. Amount we have defined already, but we 150,000. Okay, put the amount over here. Give your currency Indian rupees. Calculated tax. We have configured in the last video about the taxation, in which we have created the tax codes and assigned to the our company code, and now this tax code we have created V1 and V2 for input taxes, A1 and A2 for the output taxes. Now our vendor is from the Delhi and our company is situated in the Haryana. So it is the interstate transaction, so we have to select the V2 18% input tax, that is interstate taxation. Okay, now give your text. Purchase from vendor. Okay, give your purchase accounts here. That we have created already. Give your amount, only star you can give your value date, text, purchase, your business area, and your transaction is ready. Ganga Enterprise account debit, purchase account debit 40, input interchange debit 40, and Ganga Enterprise 31 is credited. Okay, 150. Here you can see that input state tax is 22,881 rupees. Okay, so now we have to post this transaction. We simply post that transaction. Okay, now if you want to see the line item, where we can see, once you have posted, you can see over there. Here in the general ledger view, you can see that on the Ganga Enterprises, in the place of Ganga Enterprise, you can see that here is sundry creditor account. Why it is here? So sundry creditor account all the creditors which we have to pay our amount. Okay, so this is our vendors transaction, and now we have to, if you want to see the line item, you can simply go to the transaction FBL1N. Here you can put your vendor account, or you can see all the vendor detail over here. Okay, so you no need to check this. Give your company name, all item, normal items, and execute. You can see that Ganga Enterprise Industry New Delhi have an open item of 150,000. You can see over here. Okay, there is no another vendor out there, sundry creditor there, so we have to clear this item. Okay, so I will, yeah, but this entry will be, we will done in the next class. So you can see the line item, and you can see the balance display also. But before this, we have to audio Video is too long for this. So we will check the balance display, but before this we have to payment to the vendor. Suppose we are going to pay to the vendor. Now we have purchases the products for the 1st of May, and now we are going to pay the amount to the vendor on the 5th of May. Okay, we have to enter the transaction code F-53 for the vendor payment. Give the document date 5/5/2012. Here also give your currency Indian rupees. Text over here, payment to vendor, backdated outgoing payment. We have to select our bank data or outgoing payments. Union Bank of India outgoing payment, we have to select that account. Business area is BS2. Amount 1 lakh, or open item is we have forgot it. You can check FPL 1. You can see that it is 150,000. Okay, and we have to pay here 1 lakh rupees. Value date is over 5/5/2012. Text, payment to vendor. Open item, give your vendor account number over here. Okay, our vendor account number is 19,000. Put over here, simply enter. Okay, we have to give the tolerance limit over here. For tolerance limit, we have to go to the transaction code. We have learned about the tolerance limit. We are not to find the tolerance limit in the vendor account. Okay, so we have to first OBA3 for the vendor. Firstly, check out this. This is OBA3. BPCF. See the BTG1 is over. Now we have to go to the XK02 transaction for the vendor. So vendor account number over here, and you accounting number for payment transaction. Here. We have to select all this. Here is a payment transaction. Now we can see that yes, authorization is good over here. To all customers, wait for a minute. Check for the yes, tolerance group is over here. Tolerance, we can chat what is our tolerance group. It is G1. Okay, I'll go tolerance group and simply Save this. Now we can post the transaction against less than F 53. Container payment to vendor and the down over BS2 amount is 1 lakh, value date, text here over here, over vendor. Now enter. Now we can see that our line item is open line item 150,000. So we have to choose our partial payment or the residual payment. We are making the partial payment of rupees 1 lakh. So we have to enter over here 1 lakh. Okay. Now you see the balance is 0, and we are going to give the 1 lakh rupees out of the 150,000, and we can simply save it. Now you can see the difference between the line item over there, B1, and you can see that 1 lakh rupees is cleared from the 150,000, and the 50,000 is outstanding amount that we have to pay to our vendor account. So we can see that now we have to see the balance item FK tenant. Your vendor is this company code, fiscal year, and you can simply execute it. You can see that there is a credit amount of 1,50,000 and we have paid 1 lakh rupees, and now the remaining balance is 50,000 we have to pay again. Okay, we have to pay more. Outstanding amount is this, so we have to pay amount this amount, and we are going to this amount in the next date expose on the 8th of May. Okay, Indian rupees currency, select the text, payment to the vendor, account is 11, BS2 business area, amount is 50,000, value date and our vendor is 19,000. Simply enter it. You can see that now the notice amount is 0. You can simply save it. Now check the balance item again. Refresh the page. Now you can see that all the amount have been cleared, all the outstanding amount has been cleared. Or you can also check in the line item PL1N. There is no open item. All item, in all item we can check. Yes, all the green signal, green dots over there, that all the item have been cleared. Okay, so we have cleared through the clearing document 12003. Okay, we have cleared the vendor amount. So this is all about the vendor transaction. In the next class we will going to learn about the customer transaction posting and their payment. Till now, if you like the video, if you understand something, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and please share the video so that everyone can take the benefits of this. Okay, so thank you so much.